My bonnie is over the ocean. My bonnie is over the
That's
sea.
what I know. Yeah.
It was completely other song last time. I need to change it.
Yes.
We cannot
Yeah, you
stay
did.
every time on the same song.
No.
And you know what? This kind of songs have no royalties. They are royalties free.
Really? Oh, great.
So we
So
can.
we should do a cover version of it.
We can, you know?
Yeah.
So it's the same like which campaign it was this one with you can. You can.
Yeah.
Obama or?
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
And also Nike in the past have something with
You can do it.
you can do it.
Yeah.
You can do it. You can do it in Soundland because
Yeah.
we are here in the space where we present the thing that we really like.
Yeah. That's right.
Hello, Jochen.
Hello, Chris.
Hello, people. So, again, in MXR family.
Yes, the second one from the family. It's a conclusion of the mighty custom audio electronics and MXR. They are building their stuff under MXR now, since a few years. And it's a quite interesting pedal. The concept is similar to the last one, because it's also two pedals in one, but the focus is more on the two channels with two different volume settings.
Mm-hmm.
So you can choose between a non-boosted and a boosted level.
Okay.
So you got an overdrive, not a distortion. It's an overdrive pedal, and you can choose the amount of boost up to 20 dB.
Ooh.
That's a lot.
Okay.
And it's made for solo guitarists that change their, not the sound, but
The level.
the level of their guitar to play solo.
Mm-hmm. To get over, to
Yeah.
cut through.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Let's hear the pedal like it is. Yeah.
Okay.
To see till where it goes and
Yeah.
what it can do.
Yeah, and that's the
In the
little
chain.
brother, the MC401. It's just a boost pedal with just one knob and just one boost level. And this one is with the overdrive. So when you got already an overdrive and you want to use it, just have a boost pedal. You use the MC401, and this is the MC402 together with...
So, people, you understand,
Yeah.
401 it's the poor guy and the
that's
402
the rich guy for me.
Yeah, it's the high
Yeah.
society. Yeah, have also drive a lot of nice things from
Just
the
one
hairstylist
more.
and
Yeah.
good.
Got
Okay.
plenty of overdrives, but yeah.
Yeah, it's
has to be this one.
It's already from the hairstylist.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, good. Okay.
Okay.
What we gonna test first?
Yeah, you got the clean channel
clean channel,
now? Yeah.
my Spanish thing. Let's leave it. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. You're right.
So nice.
So nice.
Yeah.
So
But we have to distort or to get
Let's-
overdriven now.
let's.
So let's engage it. Classic style.
Drive.
Yeah.
It's a drive. It's a
Yeah.
drive. Sound like a drive. It's clean.
Yeah.
It's a clean drive. I've remarked the MXR in comparison with the other pedals that we've presented here. A lot of lows.
Yeah. Yeah.
A lot of lows.
That's right,
We need to mention again how it names the amp in 12.
12, everything.
Bass, middle, treble, presence in a little bit over 12.
Half past 12.
Yeah. Here also, everything in 12. So we maintain everything in 12, and it's very clear why. To have every time a term of comparison with the other pedals. And in comparison with the other pedals, MXR
Yeah.
provide a lot of lows in the middle.
Yeah.
In the middle, I mean in 12 with
Yeah.
the settings. Let's change the guitar.
Yeah, you think? Okay.
We have here 18 kilo
Yeah.
output on the which position?
I think it's the bridge. Yes, it's the bridge.
It's the bridge. Yeah. Okay,
Absolutely.
you're right. Let's change the guitar. Another guitar. Another guitar. So clean. My Spanish things or something else.
Or try something else. That's
Good.
Too much romantic stuff.
Yes.
Okay. Bridge.
Good.
Okay.
Let's hit.
And engage.
I cannot.
Nice bottom end.
I cannot say it's fit better than the other guitar, but it fit.
Yeah.
I like more with the other one. It's a difference
maybe.
of just 5 kilos.
Yeah.
This have 13 or
13, yeah.
13.
This,
and this one 18.
yeah.
18 something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Around. So it's not a big difference between this and this. It's a difference of the tone for sure. There are different pickups. I cannot say it fit better than this one, but it's okay.
Yeah.
Let's try a little bit with the tone and the gain to play.
First the tone.
Yes.
Doesn't affect the volume, like
No.
the other pedal.
Doesn't affect the volume.
No.
Interesting.
Yeah.
It just scoop the mids and increase the mids. Good.
Sounds quite natural.
Yep. Let's put it back and let's see what's happened with the gain.
Okay. Gain all down.
Yeah.
Nothing.
All down, cut the volume complete.
Yeah.
Good. Okay.
That's it. Increase it.
It's more, in my opinion, it's more for solo than riff.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe for this pickup, I cannot understand, but it's too much amplification.
Yeah.
Let's try with the gain in 3 o'clock. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. Let's see. I don't know how to say. Maybe when you play, you got to feel this. It's a step. It's not continuously. The resonant is not continuously less distortion or huge distortion or big distortion.
I know what you mean.
It's not continuous. It's a step between no distortion and distortion.
Yeah.
And it's this limit you cannot control it.
Yeah. main sound.
it's a layer over.
Yeah, yeah,
It's a layer of something else, like a telephonic
yeah,
sound over your normal tone.
yeah,
And because of this, it's like two signals that put it together get in distortion
Yeah.
times 2 times.
yeah.
Because it gives this kind of getting out in distortion. Have this
Yeah.
step that need to be very good controlled. Need to be very good controlled. I think you know what? Let's try the other one.
Yeah.
I think these two have too much output
Yeah,
for this pedal.
it's possible. Yeah,
It's too much output. That's why
Okay.
give this step in distortion.
yeah,
That's it.
Yeah.
So, guys, we have here the apparatus.
apparatus.
The apparatus to measure the thing. What? Yeah, it is something.
Yeah.
So
6
this
and a
is-
half.
This is also high gain. High gain.
Yeah.
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 16.5
Yeah.
kilo. Really? Okay.
Cool.
So the middle one. The middle one. It's open everything. Yeah.
Yeah.
The middle one is 6.5,
Yeah.
and the bridge.
No. Man. Always the same.
The neck one.
Neck.
The neck one is 5.6.
Yeah.
5.6. Good. Now we know.
Yeah.
Now we have two, in my opinion, two position for
Yeah.
checking. The middle and the neck one.
Yeah.
Let's see what's happened. Now we are neck, yeah?
It's necky.
This is clear.
It's more Spanish. Like the other one.
Good.
Okay, but
I don't know what this to say.
no.
Really?
It's
This is
cleaner.
the best
Yeah.
in bridge
Yeah.
with the 16 kilo. Same or Duncan GB.
Yeah.
Weird. Nothing else.
Yeah.
From all these three, maybe there are in this world another thousands guitars fitting with this,
Yeah.
but in our testing, fit just with one humbucker.
Yeah.
This one, the Seymour Duncan GB, on this Strat.
Yeah.
Weird. Nothing else. Really, I don't like it. Can be used like this. We are in middle right now, and I put the tone down, yeah, to cut a little bit the highs, yeah.
All right.
Yeah, yeah.
try to increase the gain.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. Let's see.
maybe 3 o'clock.
Let's see. Yeah. Conclusion. It get with this GB.
Yeah.
Yeah. How it names humbucker, the Seymour Duncan. With the other one, for us, doesn't fit. We didn't try the boost, but it's very clear what the boost is.
Yeah.
It's gonna do. The boost, it's a boost. It's just increasing
Just
level.
adding when you press the button.
Yes, increasing level. It's not about gain.
No.
It's just
no.
level for putting a little bit the signal up for soloing. People from Solent, I need to say I'll be back soon with another cartoon.
Yeah.
No, for sure we're gonna meet us together in the next episode somewhere next week. Hope like always Saturday. Jochen, thank you so much.
Thank you too, Chris.
What do you prepare for the next?
Yeah, we come to the special places for distortion, as there is a shred master from Marshall, a thrash metal from Ibanez, and a death metal pedal from Digitech.
Perfect. So, Shred Master for the next episode.
Yes.
Good.
That's right. Okay.
See you.
Be prepared.